So, if something amazing happened to you, how many people do you tell? Something that is so super amazing that you can't help yourself to share it with every single one that come over your path today. Well, this is mine. And I'm telling you guys, this is so lovely. I love it. You go and click on my link. No, guys, you're not going to buy things. You're not going to sell things. You're not going to do anything like that. But what you are going to do is you're going to fill your bank account. This is lovely. You can do it. I can do it. Anyone else can do it. Doesn't matter where you stay in the world. You can do it. Guys, go and click on my link and go and watch my video and go and see for yourself. You're going to kick yourself if you're going to wait too long. You're going to be the one that's going to miss out on this, and you're going to cry and look in the mirror, and you're going to punch yourself in the mirror, and you will not believe it how a big thing that you miss. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. You're going to kick yourself. Go check it out today. Don't delay. See you on the other side. Click my link.